So what can ITIL solve? What are the main issues? Well, obviously you plug into a huge amount of experience and knowledge, and that means you can fast track your learning, fast track your experience and skills and your career. It also helps to provide a good background for organizations and help them to solve problems more quickly and effectively, particularly because everybody's using the same language. They're all talking the same language. The taxonomy of ITIL is fantastic for actually getting everybody on the same page and solving problems. So again, ITIL is really great for sorting out how an organization works and helping individuals to develop their careers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description.